Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. In the past, we've profiled our favorite YouTube doctors, like Dr. Sandra Lee and Dr. John Gilmore. Today, we're going to go a bit deeper and a bit darker and discuss a Philadelphia area pathologist assistant named Nicole Angemi. You may know her hashtag of #IHeartAutopsy on Instagram, where she is known simply as Mrs. Angemi. She's known for her cool stories, devilish tattoos, and bizarre pathology images. Let's listen as she tells All Heart one of her stories.
And I was like, wait a second, there's legs in the refrigerator on this other side of the wall that I didn't even know about. So I kind of walked over into this pathology lab and I saw like someone was cutting an appendix on a cutting board. My mind was kind of blown, and then I decided, oh my God, I'm gonna go work over there now. I don't really want to look at slides under the microscope anymore. This stuff's so much cooler.
What may surprise you is that she has over 1.5 million followers on Instagram, making her one of the most popular medical professionals on the web. Let's take a look at some of her most recent images and updates. First, we have a mystery diagnosis. Can you determine what this is? We'll have the answer coming up. Here is an image of a double uvula, a large bladder stone, and a cool image of a patient who thought he had his nail gun on safety. Is it odd to you that a lot of her images are allowed on Instagram, but we could never show them on YouTube? YouTube seems to have much more strict censors when it comes to medical content. A lot of medical professionals don't like that Mrs. Angemi posts medical images for general public consumption, as they feel that the images should be for insiders only. Others say she's a bit too macabre for the public. Leave your comments about Mrs. Angemi below. Personally, I think it's fine, but I'm probably desensitized to this kind of thing. And her page is very professional, informative, and educational. So she's got that going for her. There you go. Now, here's a word about rest more.
Hey rock stars, it's your girl Beth. I know that you guys are used to me coming at you with some reviews for different products, but this is actually something that I really want to more talk about. It's called Rest More. We all know that I am on the go all the time with kids, with my job, with different things I have going on in my social life. And when I come home and want to hit the pillow, I want to go to sleep, and I want to sleep sound. And that's what I get with Rest More. It mellows me out, chills me out, makes me super relaxed, and then I gradually go into a deep sleep faster than you would normally. And basically that creates for me a more intense deep sleep where I'm able to achieve a much better feeling when I wake up. It's not addictive. It just helps me create healthy sleep patterns. And that's what I need in my life, my crazy, chaotic life that I have. I know I use it. I know Adam and Sean use it, and we live by it because we're always on the go. So if you get a chance, give it a whirl. Look at the link below and try it out. Again, this is Beth with Rockstar Reviews. See you later.
The answer to our mystery diagnosis was Henoch-Schönlein purpura, also known as HSP for people like me who have trouble pronouncing it correctly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for new videos every week. See you next time.